Horses out, we have My Diamond best the begin, moving up now on the outside, Don Pedro, down on the inside is King of Sipokot, then followed by Perfect Blue, Don Pedro, running by the release My Diamond, Perfect Blue in third, and in fourth position, King of Sipokot, moving up now, Kaboom, together with Walking on Sunshine in sixth, Crown Prince Escondido, back to the leader, we have Don Pedro, and My Diamond is running by the second, and in third, Perfect Blue, 2 lengths for the back in fourth comes Kaboom, King of Sipokot, Walking on Sunshine, Crown Prince, Escondido, River South, and Wildcat is running up the tail of the field. And it's still Don Pedro, My Diamond running by the Perfect Blue. Here comes Kaboom, now coming closer in fourth position. My Diamond, Don Pedro on the outside, and in third moving up now is Kaboom, Perfect Blue. Don Pedro and My Diamond keep on matching their strides together. Kaboom remains in third, and Perfect Blue as the field turns for home. Don Pedro, My Diamond, Kaboom still in third position. And it's still Don Pedro, My Diamond, Kaboom as the field turns to the last 150. And it's still My Diamond, Don Pedro, Kaboom moving up. Escondido, Crown Prince. Don Pedro, My Diamond, Kaboom, Crown Prince, Escondido the father outside. And entering the finish line, My Diamond, Crown Prince. And finally it's going to be Crown Prince. Second close, Wildcat, My Diamond, then comes Escondido.